how to share your location on WhatsApp. So hello guys, in this quick video, I've been telling you how you guys can share your location on WhatsApp. So it was very easy. First of all, open Maps app in your mobile. Now here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic with mic option. So simply click on that profile pic. Here you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing. So simply click on location sharing. Now here you guys will see stay connected, share your real-time location with friends and family. Also you guys will see shared location. So simply click on shared location. Once you click on shared location, it will say share your real-time location. And you can select for how many hours you want to share your live location. So once you select your hours, after that you will see WhatsApp messages, chats, Telegram. So simply click on WhatsApp. Once you click on WhatsApp, after that click on share. Now it will say turn on your device location. So simply click on turn on. Now wait for some second. Here you guys can select the contact you want to share your location with. And once you select the contact, after that click on send button. Once you click on send button, your location will be shared with that person. Thanks for watching.